Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today we are tackling a weekend project in the backyard of one of our family members. We are installing a pergola, a corner pergola, and we are super excited. Now this pergola can be found on Amazon and I will have it linked in my description box below. Now with this being a corner pergola, they are measuring to make sure where the post will be placed. It has 3 posts. Now the crew today, and I'm giggling, is my hubby, my dad, the homeowner, which is Rose. Hi, Rose. Myself, and my grandson is here. Rose saw this pergola on Amazon and she had to have it. She wanted a corner one, and I must add, this is very affordable. Now, since the pavement isn't big enough, 2 heavy blocks have been placed in the ground to hold 2 of the posts, and the posts will be bolted to these blocks. This will ensure that it's not going anywhere against strong winds. The first beam has been installed to the post. The pergola will start coming to life because the middle beams are being installed. As you can see, this is at least a two-person's job, okay? You need at least two people to help assemble or install this pergola. This is definitely a weekend project. It took 6 hours to assemble this pergola. Even my grandson chipped in to help. Good job, Amari. We are almost at the finish line. We are bolting the post to the cement. Now, I think this was the hardest part of the job, getting these Tycon bolts in the cement. Everything has been bolted down, and now it's time to pack all the dirt into place. And this was so much fun for my grandson. And here is the finished product of this pergola. It is so beautiful, extending a sitting area in the backyard. If you are looking for a weekend project to beautify your backyard, your outdoor living space, check out this pergola, which can be found on Amazon in my Amazon storefront. I will have a link listed in my description box below. Special thanks to Rose, my hubby, and my dad. I also have to add my grandson. This was very fun to do, and we enjoyed the time together. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click it so you'll be notified of everything, all uploads here on A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I can be followed on other social media sites, Instagram, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of our amazing family we have here. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.